Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you few words in Kinyarwanda that are most used in Rwanda country. Kinyarwanda is a very easy language. Part 1. Greetings. Good morning. Good morning. Mwaramutseho. 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 Good afternoon. Mwiriweho. 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 Good evening. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Uturukahe. 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 I come from America. Nturuka muri Amerika. Nturuka muri Amerika. Nturuka muri Amerika. Nturuka muri Amerika. What is your name? What is your name? Witwa nde. Witwa nde. Witwa nde. Witwa nde. My name is Serena House. Nitwa Serena Rose. Nitwa Serena Rose. Nitwa Serena House. Nitwa Serena House. I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Nishimiye guhura namwe. Nishimiye guhura namwe. Thank you. Murakoze. 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 Bye bye. Murabeho. 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 Good night. Good night. Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. See you next time. Tuzabonana ubutaha. Tuzabonana ubutaha. Tuzabonana ubutaha. Tuzabonana ubutaha. Don't forget to share and subscribe.